Hello everyone, Ken Weller here. Today, I want to talk to you about something that's quietly shaking up the used car market. Why so many used car dealers are struggling to get funding for their stock, and why that could have a big impact on you, the consumer. Now, it might sound a bit behind the scenes, but stick with me, because this is about more than just car lots. It's about the price you'll pay for your next used car. Used car dealers don't just have a magic stash of cash lying around. Most of them rely on something called stock funding or floor plan finance. And basically, it's a loan, letting them buy cars up front and pay back the money as the cars sell. But lately, banks and finance companies have been tightening their belts. They're looking at the economic jitters, worried about rising defaults, and thinking, do I really want to risk lending out more money for used cars? This squeeze on funding means dealers can't buy as much stock. The selection's thinner, and everything seems a bit pricier. When supply goes down and demand stays steady or even goes up, prices have nowhere to go but up. But it's not just about price. With fewer cars to choose from, you might struggle to find the make, model, or even just the condition you really want. And for dealers, it's a vicious cycle. Less stock means fewer sales, which makes lenders even more nervous about giving out money. Lenders see the numbers and tighten credit, and that feeds back into the market uncertainty. Now, I know some folks might be thinking, well, isn't this just how markets work? In a sense, yes, but it's a bit of a double whammy right now. Cost of living pressures and high interest rates, and a lot of people who can't afford to buy brand new. That pushes up demand for used cars, exactly when the supply is getting squeezed. So what does this mean for you? First, expect used car prices to remain high, at least for a bit. Second, don't be surprised if you have to look a little harder to find the car you want. And third, if you're selling a used car, you might find dealers offering you less because they simply can't afford to keep as much stock on the books. There's hope though. If lenders start to feel more confident, or if the market settles down, we could see things ease up. Until then, it pays to do your homework. Shop around and check vehicle histories carefully, compare listings, visit multiple dealers, don't rush into the first deal, and maybe, just maybe, hang on to your current car a little longer if you can. I hope you found this look behind the scenes helpful. If you did, please give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights just like this. Thanks for watching. Ken Weller signing off.